What's the deal, YouTubes? Hey, Bucci360 back at it again with a banger as usual. You guys already know what's the deal. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and a happy new year for those out there. We getting close to 2019, and y'all already know I cut the wolf off January 28th. When is that? 2019, January 28th. So when I cut the wolf off, I'm going hard. I'm going hard and finish out 2019 strong. 2019 is gonna be my year, my breakout year, my blowout year. Mark my words. I said it in this video. Mark my words. But anyways, I'm total 11 weeks woofing in 3 days. 11 weeks woofing. I'm going to 15 versus Rico the Waiver. That's who challenged me for this woofing stuff. So y'all let me know if y'all Team Bucci. Comment Bucci right now, Team Bucci. Let me know. I got 5K subscribers. Let me know. I at least need 100 of y'all to comment Bucci gang. At least 100. My loyal supporters, my loyal fan base, and the people who watch me. The 360 medium waiver. Understand? But look, hey, let me talk to y'all for a little bit. Let me talk to y'all. I'm currently 11 weeks woofing in 3 days. I don't know if I can keep going. I haven't had a haircut in 11 weeks. That is a long time. A long time. And woof ends January 28th. And I'm going against, what is he? He's a, what wave is he? Snowy got ghetto hair, nasty. I can't think of the name right now. I'm gonna think of it probably a little bit later. I can't think of it right now. All I know is a medium waiver. That's what I am. So just know I'm going against him, and I can't let him beat me. I can't. I've been brushing like crazy, and I've been going ham. I've been busy though. Don't get me wrong. It's the end of the year. I've been working. I got stuff to take care of. I got family. I got a lot of stuff to do to take care of. But I am 11 weeks woofing. 11-week woofing. And I'm gonna give y'all a little bit tips what I've been doing to maintain this woof. What I've been doing every day, consistently, nights, mornings, daytime, noon. I'm gonna let y'all know. So let me come out the rag. If you guys got a rag on, come out the rag, please. Let's come out the rag right now. Ooh. Just come out the rag. If you got a mirror, go get you a mirror. Let's come out the rag. Come out the rag. This is what 11 weeks look like. This is 11 weeks without a cut. See my crown coming in. Been working on my crown. That's my weak side. It's been coming in though. If y'all watch my previous videos, you'll see I had no waves on that side. Now you can see it. Now you can see it. Connections are coming in way better. Let me know if I'm progressing. Let me know. Let me know. Just let me know. Let me know. I'm just trying to show y'all my waves real quick. I like to show y'all my waves every video. Just to let me know if I'm progressing. Let me know if you see anything different, anything weird. This is my weak side. It's coming in strong. When I get the cut is going to go crazy. I'm telling you, the cut is going to be crazy. The cut is going to go crazy. I'm getting my connections better. Don't mind it. Don't mind it. Not mind it. I've been brushing. Now let's get a little brush session in. Let's get a little brush session in. Trino Pro. It's like my favorite brush because the color is amazing and it's a curvy. And I love curved brushes. But yeah, let's get a session in. Let's get a session in. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all know like really what I've been doing. I've been brushing consistently. Even though I've been getting them long 2-hour brush sessions in, I've been trying to fit in 20 minutes here, 10 minutes there, 15 minutes before I go to sleep, 10 minutes when I wake up in the morning. All them brush sessions add up. You don't have to go an hour and 2 hours. You could. There ain't nothing wrong with it. You're gonna get faster progress. It's gonna show you've been brushing. But if you're busy like me and you're kind of busy and you're working and you have other stuff, just try to get in little sessions. Them add up too. them add up as well. Sometimes you want to brush slow too. Sometimes you don't want to brush always fast. You want to brush slow. Make sure you're brushing your angles right. Make sure you're brushing it straight. Make sure it has a nice good flow through your waves. Cause you don't want to just be ain't nothing really wrong with brushing fast, but you could shift the bristle, you could do anything and it's gonna make your waves go different directions. Me, I'm not fully there 100% with my connections, but when I get this cut, best believe it's gonna be there. It's not gonna be all the way there. It's gonna be probably like 95%, 90%, but it's gonna be there. But basically, I just been brushing. I've been brushing, like I know the more I brush, my waves are starting to just look shiny and just look way more better and better and better. The more I brush. And all you have to do is really brush. I do washing styles probably like twice a week to lay my hair back down. I'm gonna do a comb up video, probably my next video. I'll comb up for you guys and let you guys see how long my hair is, and then I'll lay it back down for you guys. So let me know if you guys want that comb up video. Just comment I want, and I will do it my next video. Then make sure you guys turn post notifications on, man. I'm telling you, I'm finna end 2018 with a banger. No cap. This is my weak side, but my weak side, I go ham on it. It motivates me because my weak side doesn't look like all my other sides. It's weak. But hey, it's cool though. It's cool though, because I've been working on it. I've been working on it. As long as you see progress, give yourself a pat on the back. Give yourself a pat on the back, because it lets you know you've been working on that side. You've been going crazy on that side. Like I told y'all, I'm 11 weeks woofing. Rico the Waver challenged me to a 15-week woof. Come on now. 15 weeks. So what y'all think I said? What y'all think Bucci said? Accept. Let's do it. Bet. What y'all say nowadays? Bet. So I told him, man, we're gonna do it. We're cutting the wolf off January 28th. That's gonna be a epic video. That video is gonna be epic. Legendary. 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 Mark my words. Legendary. So make sure y'all really tune in and be ready. So you might as well turn post notifications on now. Cause what? January 28th is around the corner. And you do not want to miss that video. You do not want to miss that video. My next whiff though, I want Jeezy to cut my hair. I got family in Sacramento. I got peoples down there. So Jeezy, I'm gonna come down there. I'm gonna get a plane ticket. I'm gonna hit you up. If you're watching this video, I'm gonna hit you up. I want you to cut my wolf off. I just want a haircut by you. It don't gotta be a wolf. I just want to cut by you. I want to meet you. I want to meet you. Because, man, his waves is something crazy. And he's a medium waver just like me. So, but yeah, man. With that being said, you want to make sure you're brushing consistently. Really, this is the key. This is really the whole key of the game and the key of waving is having a brush and taking care of your hair and drinking lots of water and just putting the right stuff in your hair. You don't want to put nothing that's not natural. You don't want to put no kid in your hair. You don't want to put nothing that's going to kill your hair. You want to take care of your hair. You want to make sure it's healthy. So with that being said, you want to make sure you're brushing. You want to brush consistently. You want to make sure you getting that session in. You want to make sure you're getting it in because I'm not about to lose against Rico the Waver. I'm not. Put it like that. I'm not. As y'all can see, my waves, it looks good to be 11 weeks. 11 weeks. And this is my longest woof. I take that back. I did 3 months before. It's still around the same. 15 weeks, 3 months. Still around the same bubble. Still around the same thing. But still, like, you want to make sure you taking care of your woof. You want to take care of it. Taking care of your woof equals long woofing. Long woofing equals better waves. Better waves equals better connections. You see how that all goes in the same category? So yeah, some of y'all people, I want better waves. How come I can't fix this fork? How come my waves don't look good? Woof. There's some wavers I know that never woofed. Yeah, don't get me wrong, it's some that's dipping that never woofed, but it's like you want to make sure you're woofing because woofing fixes your weak sides. This side right here, I had no waves before. No waves. Look at it. It still looks like little puddles. As you can see, it's coming in though. I had no waves right here. Now they starting to come in like crazy. When I get that cut, it's gonna be there. This side, I got waves. This side, I got waves. I got waves. I got waves right there. But you just want to make sure you're brushing consistently. But this Butchie 360. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. The goal is to get 100 thumbs. Comment below. Subscribe. Turn post notifications on if you're not. Like I told you, the epic video is coming January 28th, cutting off the 15-week woof. But like I told y'all, man, it's Butchie Gang. Comment Butchie Gang if you mess with me. If you don't, then man, I'ma pray for you. Anyway, I'm out. Gang.